So this is unboxing of Canon EF 50mm F1.8 focal length version 2. So this can be used for prime photography with more aperture open. So let's unbox it. So this usually people tend to use it for wedding photography since it gives more light. It's easy to get the real life picture, and street photography also this could be utilized a lot. So they call it as a prime lens, being a primary usage. So some kind of a user manual. It's a nicely packed one in a bubble pack. It comes with a 2 years Canon warranty, and it differs from country to country. So here the lens itself. I believe so it's now focus. So I'm shooting this with the Canon 600D with a kit lens. So here it comes with a autofocus and manual focus. It's a fixed lens, so it doesn't have any IS feature required. So here the focal information 1:1.8 front side cap. This supports 52mm filter. So this is how you can see the focal length, the aperture, wide open aperture of 1.8. So this is the back side of it. Thanks for watching the video. We'll post a video soon on how to take photographs and sample when compared with a kit lens. Thanks for watching.